what's up everybody? Sean here with Empire Auto Spa, and I'd like to introduce you to Project Big Wang.
What did you just say?
No, it's got a really big wing.
I'm gonna pretend that you didn't just say that.
Anyway, this is a very special automobile. This is a 2017 Dodge Viper GTS. Now this particular model has a whopping 96 miles on it, and it was previously owned by Richard Rawlings. This is a repeat client here at the Empire, and this is gonna be not only a video on full paint protection film, but some very subtle adjustments to really customize this GTS Viper. So with 96 miles on it, this thing is in awesome shape, but some of the things that we're gonna change are things like this little guy in here. Now, that's the parking brake, and on most automobiles where there's an exposed parking brake, it's not painted. To us, that's just not gonna do. The other thing is, I like the red, right? I get it, ACR red, but we're gonna mix that up a little bit as well and change the color combo on the calipers. We're gonna get rid of the side markers and customize some of the lights on it. We're gonna change the little bit of vinyl that's on it, and overall, I think what we're gonna do is make this already super sinister snake even meaner. And that's what the client wants to see. Well, here we are with the finished product behind me. Now, remember, the customization on this car has been anything as simple as just simply tinting some of the markers, all the way through to installing the over $6,000 Extreme Aero kit. Combine that with some aftermarket carbon fiber parts and a slew of Empire Auto Spa Nardo Gray touches, and what you have behind me is just enough custom ACR. Here at the Empire, we specialize in making your custom car perfect. And that's what we've done here. Now, follow us on Facebook, YouTube, smash that subscribe button, and there's a lot more coming from Empire Auto Spa. To Project Big One.